So what I'm about to do today is, this is the type of washer I bought. I've had it now maybe 2 years, maybe 3 years. We're gonna change it. It has like a lock on it. This thing right here connects when you close the lid down in this hole, and it puts a lock on your washer where you can't open the washer while you're doing your laundry. So I kind of want to remove that, you know, and I'm going to be making some further videos showing just how this thing looks in the inside when it's actually washing. So right now, let's go ahead and remove these screws up here. You may not can see me doing exactly over here, but close enough, right? So we're going to take these here screws out. There's 2. Looks pretty simple to do. All right, got 1 out. And we have 2 screws here. So this little thing here, I feel like it's just sitting up in there. It's not really connected to anything. So I'm just gonna, look, pretty simple. Just shake it, take it off. There you go, all right? So we're gonna take it now and sit it here. At least I think. I don't think you have to do all that. Unless I take this part off. You might have to take that off. Don't like it comes. It doesn't look like it disconnects. So I think that's all you have to do. You can sit it there. Maybe. Let's see. Let's close it and see what happens. I'll just keep it there just so you don't lose it. And just let it sit there. Real simple. Just 2 screws. Boom. There you have it. So we're going to see if this is going to work. We're going to get ready to wash. Let me put this down. Some white clothes. So let's turn this washer on. And like I said, folks, I haven't had it long. It's a nice washer. It's doing pretty good. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Okay. Here's a GE appliance. It has a deep rinse cycle. It has water, different water levels from low, medium, high, maximum, precise fill. It has a button here where you can press to pause, and a lid locked button. And it has an indicator here where it'll tell you when it'll be green like these. That'll turn green when this lid is locked down. But of course now, we're not going to have any locking, right? We're going to try and see what happens. Then you have a gauge over here, your temperature settings. You have tap, cold, cool, colors, warm, and hot. Here, you can put it on different type of washing cycles you want it. Bulky items, heavy items, medium, light, deep clean, medium, colors, light, delicates, casuals, speed wash, drain, and spin. I love that speed wash setting. You can set it on there. Clothes will be washed pretty good on this GE for maybe 20 minutes or so. That's not too bad. And like I said, you have this button for a deep rinse if you want to do that, right? GE, pretty nice. So let's go ahead and get this started. I'm going to just put it on, I got white clothes. I'm just put it on hot. For some reason, I love washing things in hot, right? And we're just going to put this on maybe high. I don't have that many. Probably can do a medium, but we're going to go with the high right now. All right, let's see here. We're going to get ready to start this water and get things rolling. Hold on. We're going to move the camera in a little bit better, get a better view. This is how the bowl looks. Pretty nice. That looks like a, what is that? Steel or aluminum. It's nice. Bring this up. Let you guys get a good look at that. GE. Where the settings there. It's ready to go. So we're going to go ahead and keep it on hot, like I said, right? Keep it on hot. We're going to do the speed wash. I'm going to keep it on. I got a high level. I guess we'll go with that for now. So let's just go ahead and open this back up. Get the water going here. Tap it down. Bring it up. Well, how about that? Let's try this since I have that sitting there. Oh, interesting. Interesting. We're going to sit this down. How about that? Bring it back down. Is this going to work, folks? Is it going to work, folks? Maybe it doesn't work like that, but we're going to find out. We're going to keep it rolling. I love this when you're troubleshooting. Right when you need to. Check that out. Ah! Did you notice that? Did you notice that? When I removed that plug I had sitting there, the water started coming out. When I removed the plug, that locks it, right? The one that I took out. When I removed it from here, the water started running. I wonder if some type of magnet in there or something. I don't know. But we're going to go ahead and get ready and wash a load of white clothes and see if this really actually works. Let's see what happens. Will it lock or not? It's pretty quiet. Let's see what happens here. That pauses it. There's your green pause button. Unpause it. See, will it do anything? Interesting. Didn't do anything, did it? That's interesting. I'm going to put it back down again. Close it back up. You know what, guys? I don't think it's going to do anything without that. Because all that does is pause it. Usually you just have to shut the lid and it starts. So this is what we're going to do. Set this camera down for a second. Right there. I'm going to open that lid back. We're actually going to place this little thing back on. And we're going to see if that makes a difference, right? Maybe it just needs that. I don't know. We're going to place this back in there and watch and see. So we're going to take it. And adjust it back up in here if we can. It's a lot easier taking off than putting back on, but we'll see what happens. See which way it goes. If it doesn't go one way, then I imagine it goes the other way, but we'll figure it out. There we go. Just put it in a little groove. Slide it back up like that. Two screws back in. Maybe it doesn't want to be where it doesn't lock. Maybe it wants to lock. Right? I mean, that's what it was bought for, right? That was one part of the purpose. I imagine when they made this, for it can lock. For what reasons? I don't know. Maybe they didn't want children, or maybe for some type of safety precaution, I imagine. But we're going to figure it out, because I would like to have this thing where I could actually see my laundry washing. So, we have that back on. We have it back on. Let's close it down and see what happens. Hear that? Just wait. There we go. So I guess with this washer, it doesn't want you to remove that, right? Lid lock. It doesn't want you to remove that. Now it's washing. you can hear. But we're gonna see if it'll let me lift the lid. Let's try to lift the lid. Maybe that's what I have to get it started first. Let's try it. Will it stop? Yes, it stops. So it doesn't continue to run. I guess I have to figure that one out and do another video on that one. But for now, at least we know you have to have that little part right here on this GE washer. And you can't place it in that hole. Just an empty hole. So for now, we're going to let it be until we figure it out. There we go. And will it start back? You can hear the water. There we go. Okay. Until next time, we'll see what happens. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. There can be more videos. If you like this type of content with the washer, thumbs up, leave a comment. Have a good one. And check out some other videos. I have other washing machine videos I think you'll really find interesting.